Hi everyone, this short video will show you how to register for your senior year. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account, okay? So make sure you're logged in because you cannot go to the online form unless you're registered. So once you log into your Google account, you need to go to the Basic Academy website. Okay, once you go to the Basic Academy website, you will see a pre-registration button, the red button right down here on this button bar. You're going to click on the pre-registration button. And then you will see a list of juniors, sophomores, freshmen, and 8th graders. You want to click on the junior course selection form. So you're going to click on the junior course selection form, and you're going to put in your information. Okay, you cannot do it more than once. It'll only take it once. So you're going to go your Jane Doe, that's me, and your student number, and then you will click Next. And you will see several different forms that you need to fill out. This one talks about open periods. You'll have to read about that, and then you have to acknowledge it, and you click Next. And then there's a student aid section. If you want to be a student aid, read the requirements. I'm going to select none. Then you'll go next. And then we are just selecting electives. You will talk to your counselor about your core classes. Your teachers have recommended you for core classes, and we'll discuss those when we meet with you next week. But we would like you to read the schedule change policy, which is, we're not doing schedule changes, so make your choices wisely. Click yes, that you've read and reviewed the schedule change policy. And then you are going to select your electives. Okay, so you're going to choose from the list of everything available to you. Lots of stuff available, so make sure you choose wisely. Have your parents with you if you'd like, so they know what you're selecting. And then you will be selecting several electives. So I'm just selecting some. And there's 13 pages. So you'll see that you need to select, whoops, I didn't select there, several different electives. And it has to be a different one every time. It cannot be the same elective. Don't select myth and folklore, 15 times because it won't let you. And you need some extra electives because we do have a lot of electives to fill up your schedules. So I think there's a total of 6 actually that you need. Let's see here. Yes, and then we come to the AP classes. And if you're taking AP classes, then you're going to get an AP commitment contract. Those of you who take AP classes are familiar with those, and you select your classes. Let's see, I'll select those, and then you sign it. And there we go. And we're almost done. And then it asks you about your future, where you're going to go to college, things about your career, so that we can get an idea of maybe things about you that we need to be aware of, like for scholarships and for college visits and things like that we want to know. So I'll say Nevada State College, and I'm going to be a nurse, and I'm going to submit it. And there we go. My course selection is done. So we need you all to do this before you meet with your counselor because you won't be able to meet with them until this is completed. So please get on as soon as you can and get this done. We look forward to meeting with you next week.